for chairman, maybe or our Mufi Cleveland Clinic Hospital, our London, our Ira President Jacob for now, warning Ira and
Femi Arnold, now His Excellency President for Australia. Now, my young phone, free Cleveland Clinic, United Kingdom. Call His Excellency on now on person big you now you're born a Manhyia now say near say about everything it say about it now your man your bands on your man is up higher your check so they can't say in the bar macho now only macho on bed introduction macho your name and then your name.
My name is Abigail Stapleton. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for Cleveland Clinic London.
My name is Evgenia Shevchenko. I'm International Relationship Manager, Cleveland Clinic London.
My name is Dr. Tosin Goji. I'm an Associate Professor of OBGYN. I'm also the Medical Director for the Center for Infant and Maternal Health at the Cleveland Clinic in USA.
Majesty, I'm Nadi Hakim. I'm the International Relations Director at the Cleveland Clinic, London.
Your Majesty, my name is David Nahr. I'm the Digital Business Team Lead at Cleveland Clinic, London. Thank you for receiving me.
HFM could you for my brother?
Team normal about the chair, so I will leave the baton over to you, explain the purpose of visit to His Royal Majesty.
So Your Royal Majesty, Cleveland Clinic is a not-for-profit 100-year-old global healthcare system. We're headquartered in the US, but we now have locations across the globe, including in London. We're focused on clinical care, research, and education. And in London, we look after lots of international patients, including Ghanaian patients. So we've come to Ghana to learn about the Ghanaian healthcare system. We hope to be able to collaborate in Ghana and support with clinical care for complex patients and education and research. So we're here meeting hospitals and clinicians to see how we can support. So we thank you for your hospitality in the country.
I thank you very much for this visit. Cleveland Clinic has been of late been very popular, and I hear so much about it. So many people visiting it now from here.
Joe!
You've looked at various important people and all that. So I've been wondering why I haven't visited.
Joe!
And so I did. President Kufuor has always insisted that my next visit I should visit Cleveland Clinic. And the president also has told, the current president also said that I should visit Cleveland.
Joe!
The IDP also said I should visit. So I'm wondering that in my next visit, maybe I also have to come and do my test from my head down, like everybody's.
Joe!
We're very honored.
I've said so much good things about Cleveland that I'm convinced that you're doing very well, and the collaboration and what you seek to see here, that will also endure to let you know exactly what you have to do. Yes, third world country, yes, we have health delivery, but we have shortfalls.
Yes.
That's a fact.
Joe!
Some of the things that we cannot do here. And therefore, we fall on experienced and advanced systems like you to develop.
Joe!
Then what can we also bring back here?
Exactly.
That is also something that we need to look at. If we don't have the equipment, we have the equipment. We have more brilliant doctors who have gone through school, very, very brilliant, but they don't have the equipment.
Joe!
So that is where the difference is. We've had to rely on advanced clinics and places like South Africa and all that. But we still believe that we can improve it here in this collaboration. Having visited some hospitals in Accra, Manhyia, and others, you would have an idea what are the shortfalls, and therefore when we come over, then we will. MRIs and everything are now, we know, and it goes further than that.
Joe!
that is the reason why I'm sure before we've been talking about it. He says that they're doing fantastic job. The current president is talking to me about it. So many people are spoken to me about it. But the current vice president also spoke to me. So I've heard so much. Mayo Clinic also is there, which was the first one that was more popular. Then Cleveland Clinic came up, and I said, so what is it about these two? And now Cleveland is on top of this one. I said, okay, I need to experience it myself. Hence, we come to a crowd and before say, go and say,
John.
Is that my hospital for not yet? You haven't.
Not
You
yet.
haven't. Are you going there?
Yes.
You've been to
Yes, yes.
You met the medical secretary.
It was actually a brief visit. Yes, but we are hoping that we'll have a thorough visit of the case next time.
Next time.
Yes.
Oh, you're going back to
So this is just a familiarization exercise, and then next time we'll have
Next
a thorough
time you
visit.
have to. Yes, next time spend some time check. Well, this is where I live, so you have to look at my hospital first, so you know the shortfalls before I come.
John.
When you are recommending, when I'm coming back, then you know that Majesty, you don't have this, or this is what we recommend. So I need for you to do that. But the doctors are fantastic here. They're good. In theory, they're fantastic, and they try their best. They try their best. But their best is not good enough because of some equipment and everything that we cannot identify. And therefore, issues like cattle, for example, when we find that we don't have and there's an emergency, blockage, and we stop it. And you have to rush to something. So those are some of the things that you know, some of the sicknesses, hearts and kidney, lungs. Those are all some of the things that are very either by eating habits, lifestyle, or something. And we're not also, most people are also not conscious of the exercise and all those things. So whilst we are talking about health delivery, maybe we also have to use education. And so I look forward to the collaboration and fantastic doctors here that you can collaborate, both in Accra, Kumasi, and other places. But I'm looking forward to visit your clinic also. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll tell President before that instead he will be very glad. He's always insisted that I have to visit you. So I will do that. We catch it from the woman.
His Royal Majesty extends his deepest appreciation. He says that you come in and then visit you. You're looking for a collaboration between yourself and then the Comfort Teaching Hospital.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.